Right, we're back. So, we're in VirtualBox. We've got Mate, and we would like to have some extras from, well, hopefully ArcoLinux, because there is lots of repos and packages and configurations, and they're all not on Arch. They're all on, ArcoLinux. So how do I get there? This is actually quite dark, my dear friends of Mate, almost impossible to read. So we need to go into the profile preferences first. That's already readable, but not nice. Solarized custom, here it is. Solarized dark, no. Light, no. White on black, green on black, old school. Gray on black, okay. Black on white. Oh, maybe for reason, the reason, if you want to read, oh la la, if you want to read, maybe it's best to do that. Voila, everybody can read. So, sudo pacman, oh, there we go again. Do we have a tool? Then you go into the desktop, whatever desktop you have. Is there a tool that enables you to set the keyboard right? If there is, please do so, right? Simple as that. Country, Belgium, Belgium. Yes, please. Belgian, add. English, you're out. Never gonna use QWERTY on this keyboard. Voila, done. Enter. So, sudo pacman -s neofetch. Let's get that beautiful logo in. Neofetch. I am working on, yes, ArcoLinux. We're on 5.15 as kernel, 504 packages, which is nothing, but basically, let's face it, we have nothing, and there is nothing, no browser, for example. I want to go to the internet, so sudo pacman -s. Firefox is my default website I usually take. But there is Vivaldi, there is Min, there is Google Chrome, there's Chromium, and so many more. Okay, so I got myself a browser. Where is that browser? Applications, internet, a browser. Cool. Then ArcoLinux.info. Now the fun starts, right? Instead of downloading an ISO, download an ISO, go to seed host, belnet, or ArcoLinux XL here, and download myself an ArcoLinux Mate, which is gonna be down here somewhere. Mate, right? Instead of doing this work, I'm installing via ArcoLinux ISO, and then we build it up again, which is fun, right? Instead of having a house that you buy, you're actually building up the house with bricks and windows and doors and you name it. Everything. You have to think about everything. Do we have sound? Oops, no. Do we have Bluetooth? No. Etc, etc, right? It's gonna be long. It's not, the idea is not here, I'll have a working system in an hour or so. No, it's more like I'll do a few weeks over the ideas and the reading of ArcoLinux and all the wiki, ArcoLinux Bluetooth, ArcoLinux cups is printing. And you start to read and gradually install more and more stuff. So, info on ArcoLinux.info, right there at the bottom will be always present ArcoLinux Spices application. Install our ArcoLinux packages on any ArcoLinux based distro. You hear me correctly. Any ArcoLinux based distro. This is ArcoLinux. Lots of things to do. Sometimes we are in a graphical environment. Sometimes we're not in a graphical environment. So choose which option you have. This is quite graphical indeed. So download it is, save, do this automatically, okay, open it up, And here we have it. This is a tar ZST, which means open in terminal sudo pacman -u. You install it. So you type U. That's how we remember it, these stupid sentences. Done. ArcoLinux Spices Git is installed. Okay, what happened now to my system? Nothing. You need to run ArcoLinux Spices. And we used to have, you'll see lots of videos about ASI or Spices if you go to our channel, YouTube channel, and you type our channel, right? Not YouTube, eh? Our ArcoLinux channel, actually. There is a search, and you type Spices, you see lots of videos with very complex thing. We want to keep it simple. Keep it simple and stupid is really lasting longer than making all kinds of buttons. So get ArcoLinux keys and packages. That's it. Nothing more, but also nothing less. Right, while that's doing its job, let's have a look. What's going on in your system here? Always the same files, etc. pacman.conf, pacman.conf, here he is. Double click, scroll down. What happened? We've put stuff in your pacman.conf. ArcoLinux repo testing, ArcoLinux mirror lists. So it's referring to something else. It is. It's referring to pacman-d ArcoLinux mirror list. For that one as well. Getting stuff from yes, correct, and seed host. We've changed server. The older server was bike, and this is @ and one of those, right? If this is the one from Amsterdam, this is one of United States, from Belgium. So you choose which one is the fastest. You know the drill. Get rid of the hashtag, and it's not gonna be used. All right, done. How do we see the results? Control-T, a keyboard shortcut that we like. Super-T is another one, and Control-Alt-Enter is another one. None of the keyboard shortcuts work. Nothing is set. It's entirely up to you to set them. So sudo pacman -syyuu, getting everything in, and there we have the 3 lines. Here we have the 3 lines. You see? So if I had the idea to say I'm gonna install Bitwarden as one of the tools to keep, well, actually Bitwarden has moved. It's coming now from the ArcoLinux. It used to come from us because it needed to be built from the AOR, but I think it just moved a few weeks ago to the ArcoLinux thing, which is great. So Bitwarden is just a application, better started from somewhere else here, up here. Somewhere, it's gonna be in here somewhere. And there you have it. So you need to log in, make an email address and log in, master keyword, and then you can put all your keys or passwords for login for all your websites in here. It's all encrypted and so on. That's one of the tools coming, well, actually from ArcoLinux. What is coming from us? That's for sure. If we type sudo pacman -s ArcoLinux, anything called ArcoLinux, 216 possibilities. These guys are coming from us, pretty sure. You see? And that's, of course, choosing it. What do I want? What will I try to create? Is there anything Mate related in there? Tconf, there's a Mate Git. But maybe we need some themes as well. How about icons? How about wallpapers? It's all there, right? It's just choosing now. What do I want to have? Maybe the wallpapers from CandyGit. We have something else. We also like to change wallpapers, change desktop background. Let's have a look if they're already in there or not. So these are just the Mate stuff. So add ArcoLinux Candy, open please. And now we have this one. It's just actually one. Can't we add more? No, don't, well, doesn't matter. So we got a wallpaper, cool. And then I want to press Ctrl T, it's not gonna work, Eric. Ctrl T is not gonna work. Mate terminal. Sudo pacman -s. What else? Arc theme. Let's get the arc theme in. How do we set the arc theme? System, preferences, look and feel, appearance, arc dark. Uefi. Close. Let's first get icons in. Sudo pacman -s paper icons. Paper icon theme, papyrus icon theme. There's so many icon themes out there. Then we select them. Preferences, internet network, look and feel, appearance, arc darker, no arc dark, and then in there, customize, arc dark, window border, arc dark, icons. Let's scroll paper or mono dark. Let's take this one and let me get that call. So we got this. Voila. Allez, that's done. So we've got ourselves a system that looks like this. Of course, you can keep on messing with all the settings whenever you can do. I was thinking about something. I don't see any reference about it. So I wonder, the thing that I have in my mind, what if that is part of this? Mate tweak. Okay, an application extra. Accessory, tweak, probably gonna be in control center, no. Mate tweak. Show the desktop icons, no. Yes, no. Panel, here it is. That's what I wanted to look for. The GNOME 2 select a panel, show applications, up, gone, right? Choices. And the choice to have a Fedora look. Changing, okay. And this looks a bit strange. Maybe we should log out or not. And then we have OpenSUSE. Okay. Let's see if it improves if we log out. Log out, Eric. Yes, please. XFS, guys. XFS, remember? We stopped using the X4. So it's not the way it should be, right? It's not the way it should be. So this option, the Mate tweak thing, delete this panel, reset, properties, add to panel. All gone. Ctrl T is not working since we don't have the possibility to... Oh my god, how do I launch Mate tweak again if I can't get to a terminal? Good question. Reset all panels. I got a problem. Delete. We do have something at the end here. Properties, add to panel, reset all panels. Yeah, we've done that already. It's never that easy, right? Lock to panel, Right mouse click, new panel, reset all panels, properties, add to panel. Anything about a terminal would be nice. I would like to have a terminal. Search for files. Application launcher done. Close. You would think I have an application launcher. Copy a launcher from the applications menu. There you are. Mate tweak. Panel, open Susan. GNOME. No. Can really mess up your code, right? It really can mess up your code. That's my conclusion. So maybe this Mate tweak is not what it used to be. Let's come to that conclusion. God, I don't think I did anything wrong. I can just do a save as here. GNOME 2. It would be nice if we could have a default back. Set everything back as default. I wonder how we should do that, but the video is going to get too long, that's for sure. Let's see what happens if we maybe we can do something. Appearance here, file management windows. I have no idea how to get back to how it used to be. Also an interesting thing, go and have a look at the file, the fonts. Fonts make up your system, right? Really do, they really do. So the panel, the icon that we've chosen, paper, has no icons for these two guys. You have to live with that, simple as that. Or choose another icon. Theme. A little bit bigger. On my machine, on ArcoLinux, I would do a scale, right? So everything is going to be back as normal. In here, poof, I don't even know where to start. File management. I would like to start Caja. That's a note. But where is Caja? I don't have a menu anywhere. So a super shift enter would have been my Caja. Stupid, right? Stupid. So don't use Mate tweak is the good answer here. But we can indeed have a machine that is using ArcoLinux, Mate, and then let's close this, and then power off, okay. And then use the ArcoLinux repos and ArcoLinux packages. Gonna go once more, see what we get. We log out, xfs, all broken. Yep, all broken. And I'm out of here. And that's why it's so interesting, right? It's super simple. You just go ahead, close. If you learned something, you tried something, you're stuck, no problem, right? Remove, delete all files, right mouse click, clone. Let's do Mate again, but this time I won't install Mate tweak. haven't done that much, right? We've installed Firefox, we've installed Mate, Uefi, I guess. But simple as that, and just do the exercise over again. And that's my advice. Stay in VirtualBox, play around with things, say, okay, this is not working for me, so I'm gonna try this again. Sudo pacman -s mate extra. I'll know I'll have Uefi later on, I'll have Firefox later on, and what else will I have? I will have Sublime Text maybe. No, not gonna happen. Atom, is that available? Atom is available. Voila, and off we go, and you got already something to start with. And if this is installed, then you clone it again. You stop everything and you clone it again, and you keep on going. Something like version 1, and then you install more, version 2, and you install more, you stop, version 3, you stop, and suddenly something breaks, or you don't understand it, or why something went wrong. Okay, version 3 is out. You go back to version 2, you clone version 2 to version 3, and you try again. And that's the fun with VirtualBox. That is the learning curve. And at some point in time, you'll know, okay, that's not going to work. That Lego piece or that block is not working with the other, and I can't install both of them. I have to choose here, stuff like that. Enjoy the learning, guys. That's why we have this project. We want to learn ourselves, and we want to share the knowledge that we get if we learn every day with you again. All right, cheers.